Hi, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Nursing Classes, a place where you get nursing competitive exam MCQ and theory classes. आज की इस वीडियो क्लास में हम DSSB नर्सिंग ऑफिसर एग्जाम द 28 ऑफ अगस्त 2019 शिफ्ट फर्स्ट का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप लोगों ने मेरी YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करें जिससे मेरे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन पहले मिलेगा। अगर पिछले वीडियोस नहीं देखा है तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर देख सकते हैं और वीडियोस के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक प्रोवाइड करवा दूंगा। अगर व्हाट्सएप में वीडियोस का लिंक चाहिए तो पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप मी, माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो एक लाइक कर देना और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना। चलो अब शुरू करते हैं। 76. What is sun drowning? A. Stereotype behavior and activities. B. Worsening of symptoms and confusion in the evening. C. Incontinence during night. D. Unconscious filling of memory gaps. Correct answer B. Worsening of symptoms and confusion in the evening. 77. A technique that focuses on real-life situation to allow nursing students to practice is called A. Simulation. B. Seminar. C. Self-instructional module. D. Problem-based learning. Correct answer A. Simulation. 78. A psychiatric patient is discharged by the concerned medical officer after their relatives furnish a bond along with an undertaking that the mentally ill person shall be prevented from causing injury to self or others. The patient got discharged under which type of discharge? A. Admitted by police. B. Under special circumstances. C. On reception order. D. Voluntary basis. Correct answer B. Under special circumstances. 79. Korsakoff psychosis associated with chronic alcoholism is caused by the deficiency of A. Thiamine. B. Riboflavin. C. Biotin. D. Niacin. Correct answer A. Thiamine. 80. The audit that is conducted between the two regular audits is A. Interim audit. B. Internal audit. C. Final audit. D. Continuous audit. Correct answer A. Interim audit. 81. Which type of delusional disorder is commonly found in paranoid schizophrenia? A. Delusion of guilt. B. Delusion of persecution. C. Delusion of grandeur. D. Nihilistic delusion. Correct answer B. Delusion of persecution. 82. The leadership style in which each member acts according to his/her choice with leader having very little role to play as A. Formal. B. Autocratic. C. Democratic. D. Laissez-faire. Correct answer D. Laissez-faire. 83. The continuous and ongoing evaluation of the nursing student is known as A. Norm-referenced evaluation. B. Criterion evaluation. C. Summative evaluation. D. Formative evaluation. Correct answer D. Formative evaluation. 84. Which of the following options describes transient situational disturbances? A. Disturbed feelings and behavior occurring due to overwhelming external stimuli. B. Clinical syndrome of akinesis or mutism. C. Abnormality of any function that is under voluntary control. D. Acute condition resulting from withdrawal of alcohol. Correct answer A. Disturbed feelings and behavior occurring due to overwhelming external stimuli. 85. The research that is done to learn about cultural behavior and cultural artifacts is called A. Phenomenology research. B. Historical research. C. Ethnography research. D. Grounded theory research. Correct answer C. Ethnography research. 86. What is flight of ideas? A. Disturbance in ideas. B. Absence or near absence of ideas. C. Unfocused fear attached to any idea. D. Constant shifting from one idea to another. Correct answer D. Constant shifting from one idea to another. 87. The technique in which a sample is selected based on certain sample characteristics is known as A. Purposive sampling. B. Convenient sampling. C. Snowball sampling. D. Judgmental sampling. Correct answer A. Purposive sampling. 88. What is the term used to explain the condition in which a patient perceives that her face is distorted and her legs have become short? A. Illusion. B. Denationalization. C. Hallucination. D. Depersonalization. Correct answer D. Depersonalization. 89. Avocational guidance is given to the individual with the purpose to A. Guide for selection of vocation. B. Spend leisure time activities. C. Develop leadership abilities. D. Solve all personal problems. Correct answer B. Spend leisure time activities. 90. An employee receives orders from only one supervisor. This is known as A. Scalar chain. B. Span of control. C. Unity of command. D. Hierarchy chain. Correct answer C. Unity of command. 91. The statement that describes researchers' expectations about relationship of two variables under study is known as A. Significance test. B. Hypothesis. C. Assumption. D. Testability. Correct answer B. Hypothesis. कैसी लगी यह वीडियो कमेंट करके बताएं। अगर अच्छी लगी तो अपनी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियोज।